Mr. Pakistan, today this video I will teach you how you can make a calculator at home. Basically, there is an arduino power calculator which I made in my. So there is a simple calculator. It calculates everything, right? This is a calculator based on arduino into 4 keypad and arduino Uno R3 with 16 into 2 LCD display with I2C module in the back. Now we try. First there's a 3 we use plus, minus and divide. Now if we put say 1200 and plus with this D button and 10 add 1500 B for equal, we get 2700 value. If we need to reset, we need to simply move the power and back plug power again. And if we need some other value like say 144 and then minus this time we get 1404 we get. If we say 780 plus for 120 B for equal 900. Similarly, if we put now we put 1600 0 1600 plus 400 minus 200 we get 1800 value. We get 1800. Now we remove again the power. Let's try minus few things. 500 minus is 250 250. If we do the reset again and if we do for example 400 minus 380 with that 20 at the time. Yes, it's working very well. Now press some divide. 10 divide by A times 2 is equal 5. Similarly if we reset again and that divide 250 like this. If we put 100 divide say 33. So this way this calculator is worked. There's only problem, we can reset this calculator by removing and plugging this wire. And there's a calculator. Now see what is inside. How I make. Now open the calculator. Just for testing. Carefully not remove any connection while opening. This is a plastic box where it contains all the electronics along with arduino. Carefully. There are connections. We use 2, 3, 4, 5 are low pins and 6, 7, 8, 9 are column pins we use here. And LCD is I use LCD which is contain ISTC module to VCC point to somewhere 5 volts and ground point to the GAN or GND analog 4 and SCL is analog 5 meeting at this. SCL is analog 5, FDA is analog 4, VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, and the keypad connection 2 to 6 are rose pin, 7 to 9 are the column pins. Let's plug this wire back. Here you use male to male wires, and this is a full female to male cable, and there we plug the USB cable to arduino, and behind this we connect the 10,000 mAh power bank, which you can use any 5 volt power supply, rechargeable battery source. Now switch the back. This keypad stick by its double side tape. Since it comes with double side tape, let's plug in again. Make sure it's working very well. Yeah. Let's see one more try. If anything is not go wrong. Minus. This time it is a value somewhere 0 or less than 0 in minus range, minus 100. And if you can with the next video with studio soon and explain to in the screen pause. Now explain the code of this calculator which I made using 16 into 2 LCD with the pad plus the arduino. First we include wire as library, which is the ISTC library, which is made connection between liquid crystal display ISTC module and Arduino. This is important. These libraries are important. This is liquid crystal. As include liquid crystal dot I2C dot H library, which is used for communication with LCD. I2C LCD, and this is a tip pad. In there we include keypad.h library for 4x4 keypad or any size keypad. Here we define the resolution of the display, which is liquid crystal dash ISTC LCD 0 into 27 or 16 into 2. It will work 0 into 27 or 16 into 2, both variant will work. Constant byte row number of rows, which is 4. Constant byte number of columns equal 4. Since it is 4 by 4 keypad. Char T map num row num column. These are defined as tester T maps, which is in the form of row and column. For example, this is a 1, 2, 3 dash slash 4, 5, 6 equal 7, 8, 9 dash minus hash star here and the plus here. So these are all the keypads button numbers which are used in my keypad. If you have keypad of other types of number like that alphabets, then you will put the alphabet in the here according to the same way which way it will available in your keypad. Bytes, row pins, number rows 8, 9, 7, 6 are row pin and bits, column pins, number column 5, 4, 3, 2. These are column pins in Arduino. Then installation, install the keypad in this command, keypad make keypad map row column num row num column. Initialize the keypad using the column plus row. String input bools result false. In the white setup, first LCD int initialization, the LCD backlight, adjust the backlight. While backlight adjustment, the LCD dot the set cursor, which set the cursor and the LCD in a 0 place first initially. LCD pin calculator, LCD dot pin calculator, and then while the loop is done. Tractor T equals T dash T. So this line reads the tractor coming from T pad, and if T equals C, meaning that form of tractor, input equals reverse show equals false. LCD clear, LCD set cursor 0, LCD pin calculator, LCD else if T equal, if not reverse show equals to. First it will read here the T, if T is anything, then it's not show any result, or clear LCD dot clear. Then also set the LCD cursor back to the 0 and LCD print calculator, just like the restart. And else if T equals some value, mean T plus, if not reverse show, if T is plus or show is not result is shown, else input plus equal T, LCD set also 0, LCD print input, and then functions run, and there's function. Those all we need to down, which I did not explain all. So there are some switch cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and case 5. There are 5 cases, and both cases it will return the values. Light, LCD set the cursor in the one LCD dot set cursor 1, LCD print error divided by 0. So if some value is not divided by 0, it will give error divided by 0 number of the segment of the LCD. And if value is input, same LCD dot set cursor number 1, LCD print error invalid operators, meaning if you use equal, minus, plus, or divide, if you use wrong operator, it will give their error. If and similarly, if and also it will LCD dot cursor set cursor again 1. LCD print result equals string results. So if LCD print result plus string result, if result or string results, it will display both the string result as well as the result. Else LCD dot set 1 LCD print error invalid input. If case of input value is invalid or out of range. And this video can be done at Studio Headphone, and you can also find the store in the video description. Pause.